In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose between Cloudways and GoDaddy hosting in 2026. If you care about website speed, uptime, SEO, and a smoother experience for your visitors, choosing the right hosting platform matters a lot. Cloudways and GoDaddy are both well-known names, but they work very differently, and that difference affects performance, pricing, and security. First, let's understand the technical difference between them. GoDaddy's lower tier hosting is usually based on shared hosting. That means your website lives on a server with many other websites, all using the same pool of resources. If one of those sites gets a traffic spike or runs inefficient code, your site can slow down too. Cloudways takes a different approach. It lets you launch managed cloud servers on providers like DigitalOcean, Vultr, or AWS, which means your site runs on dedicated virtual resources instead of competing with a large group of neighboring sites. Next, let's talk about pricing. GoDaddy often looks cheaper at first because of low introductory offers, but those deals usually require long upfront payments and renewals can increase a lot later. Cloudways is more straightforward. It uses pay-as-you-go billing, so you pay monthly or by usage without being locked into a long contract. That makes costs easier to predict and easier to control. Now let's compare what comes included. On many standard GoDaddy plans, features like SSL and backups may start free but later renew at extra cost, and more advanced security or caching features are often reserved for higher plans. Cloudways includes a stronger built-in performance stack along with free SSL, automated firewalls, and daily offsite backups, all managed from the dashboard. If you want the Cloudways route, open your browser, go to the Cloudways website, sign in, and click Launch Now. Choose the latest WordPress or WooCommerce optimized application. Then select either DigitalOcean or Vultr and pick a premium or high frequency option for faster storage performance. Set the server size to 2 of RAM, which is a practical balance for many business sites. After that, choose the data center location closest to your visitors and launch the server. If you prefer simplicity instead, GoDaddy can still make sense. If you want your hosting, domain, email, and starter website tools all in one place, you can log in to GoDaddy, choose a managed WordPress or shared plan, and complete checkout with its guided setup. If you launched on Cloudways, go into your application settings, open domain management, enter your live domain, and set it as primary so your site connects correctly. Finally, review your dashboard, confirm your server details, and make sure CPU and memory usage look healthy before sending live traffic to the site. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.